everyone, we're going to find all values of x, if any, at which the function changes sign on the interval. We're going to sketch the number line and indicate the sign of the function on each subinterval. So they want us to do it from -2 to 2. So let's go ahead and draw a little sign diagram. We're going from -2 to 2. And let's go ahead and factor this function and set it to 0. So when you factor this, you're going to get x minus 1 squared times 2x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, when you solve for this piece, you get x equals 1, and this one's going to be x equals -1/2. So let's put that on our diagram. So I'll put -1/2 here and 1 here. It doesn't have to be to scale or anything. All right, so there we have that. And now we're going to test points in between these points here. So first, let's test for x is -1. So at x equals -1, we're going to have 2 times -1 cubed minus 3 times -1 squared plus 1. This gives you -4. That means for this subinterval here, it's negative. All right, now let's go ahead and test for in between -1 and 1. It's always a good idea to test for 0. So we're going to test x equals 0. And that's just going to be 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 squared plus 1. That gives you a 1. That means it's positive. And now we have to pick a number in here. Let's test 1/2. No, it has to be 3/2. 1 and 1/2. So that's going to give you 2 times 3/2 cubed minus 3 times 3/2 plus 1, and that's going to give you 1. That's a positive number, so this is positive. So the only place it changes signs is right here at x equals -1/2. Goes from negative to positive, and there's your graph. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.